Try that. You good? Push the center one further in.
All right, here's the deal. I bought, for all intents and purposes, let's call it an investment. And we're trying to load into a trailer to bring it home. But there's a 5,000-pound car in the way. After a few hours, many coffees later, and a lot of brainstorming, we figured out we don't have to move the entire car. All we have to do is move the car 2 feet sideways. And here's the fun part. The car is on a rubber floor. The jacks have small diameter steel wheels. I think you know where I'm going with this. One jack is leaking hydraulic fluid, leaving us with one questionable jack. Now, I could buy wheel dollies, but I'd rather not dip into the rebuild budget. Now, I'm sure two old but very bright and very fit guys can come up with some type of a solution. Let's continue to watch.
Center one is, we want right on center. Get lots of room here. This is good. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down. Yeah. I think we'll need a couple more tubes, Jeff. You know what? We just do it again. Look at. Let's see if we can get her to go. Yeah, but we need to get a tube underneath. What? Otherwise, if you only gonna get here. It's gonna roll till it goes to the other side. Then we get a foot out of this. Then we have to jack it up again and do it again. Yeah. But if you put a tube underneath there and push it 1 inch at a time. Here. Do that. Move it this way. Okay. So we roll it just maybe an inch without damaging the fender. Okay. Now. Yeah, I got it. Okay, go ahead, because I gotta hold this. I'll do it right. I need one more. Want a little more over? Okay, hold on. Keep going, keep going. That's enough. That's enough. Let me just get it right off. That's it. Okay. Okay, hold on. That's it. We're good. Dude. Oh. Right. Okay. Here, Doctor. I gotta go to the other side. Okay. Let it go. Let it go. It's not gonna fall. She's stuck. There she goes.
No problem.
Perfect. Well, there's 6 plus 1, about to here. Yeah, just keep the ass end swinging this way. Yeah, you can come back about another 3 feet or so. Just keep your window down and I'll yell at you. Okay. Come in, bit about another foot. Whoa, it's good. You want to sit on it and me push it? It's still hard. Well, good. It's not damage. No, let's just stay.
Let's rewind the video for a moment and focus on the front wheel. It stopped rotating just as we hit the snow. And this is why we're struggling to get the bike up the ramp. And it has nothing to do with one or possibly both of us being out of shape.
Push it. Oh, I couldn't the front. Hold on, you ready? One, two, three. Watch going there. Ready? Ready? Hold on. One, two, three. I gotta watch them sliding. I got here. Ready? Hold on. One, two, three. You think I would have more strength than you at the back? You gotta just keep this thing straight. Oh, you can put it aside. That's alright, it's gonna be down. That's what I'm saying. I've got traction here. Try and keep it straight and just aim the tire that way. It's gonna slide out on you. Okay, guard, go. Go ahead. 2, 3. Hold on. I'd get another horsepower here. Amazing when that front brake sticks.
Want to give it a better run at it?
You know what, another way I could do this? Just leverage behind the back tire with the shovel. See how this works? You just hang on to it.
I'm gonna break the.
No, that shovel's gonna go. Okay, that's a stupid idea.
No, that was a good. It's a good. You can't try all these things. I said we'd take a run back at it. I take a good run at it.
You know what else we could do too?
Just leave like this and drive it, ride it.
No, I could maybe try and lift up the back ramp.
Yeah. I don't know.
By hand, just a 2x4 at a time until you get a 6x6 under the.
I mean, I'm all for it, but can we lift the ramp while lifting the bike? That's 400 pounds to get a lift.
Well, if we had the ramp,
450.
if we had the ramp protector, there's no problem with the skid steer. Welcome to Rednecks R Us. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. 1, 2, 3.
Hey there, awesome people. If you love this video, or even if you didn't, give it a thumbs up so we know you're still with us. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button so we can spam your inbox with more amazing content. Oh, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.
How about no way. Or it's not gonna go anywhere. I got my foot jammed. Hold on. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold on now.
I got traction here now.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Holy fuck!
Time to go home and take a nap.
I thought you were in shape. Oh, I am? That's fucking hard. Sorry, that's hard.
It's okay.
No doubt at 174 horses at the rear wheel.
Really?
Yeah. Like I said, stop. Again, whatever time you can say, but the tractor back in the day was 190.
No, 185 with 99 foot-pounds of torque.
And here we are, home at last. Had to pull over a few times during the trip because the truck dash kept screaming, trailer disconnected. Checked everything, lights, tails, stop, turn signals, all working fine. I guess the weather decided to play a little prank on my electronics. This trailer has been my trustworthy companion for 24 years, but it started to show its age with some quirky ground connections. On the bright side, I absolutely love the modern features in the truck, especially the trailer backup feature. One smooth move, and the trailer is parked perfectly close to the curb, like a pro. I love technology. My truck even has a system called Dynamic Automated Reversing Kinetic Operation, or DARCO for short. It's like having a superhero for parking. The motorcycle didn't budge, which is always a good thing. But that's not what I'm looking for. Alright, let's freeze this frame for one hot second. I have a burning question. Am I the only one who loses just one glove? And so, is there a support group for this? Next up, getting the bike into the garage. It needs to be positioned strategically so I can work on both the ZX12R and the ZX7. For those following the ZX7 project, don't worry, it's not forgotten. The next phase involves a lot of welding and grinding, which I prefer to do outside. Unfortunately, Mother Nature hasn't been cooperating lately. I only took a 30-minute lunch break, and when I came back, I found this. Instead of pulling the bike out of the trailer, it looks like I'm doing some snow shoveling. Gotta love Canadian winters. The forecast for the next 3 days is snow, snow, and more rain. In the meantime, I've got to stay in shape. Until next time, don't forget to always hug your pets. Thanks for watching and take care.